how to change delivery address on FedEx. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change delivery address on FedEx. If you need to change the correct delivery address for your FedEx package, then just follow the steps that I'll be showing you in this video. The first step is to log in into your FedEx account. All right, and then for you to change your delivery address, it means that you already shipped a package, right? And so once you're logging into your FedEx account, on the page you'll see three major icons, namely rate and ship, track, locations. Note that this might differ depending on your location. All right, so just ensure that you locate the tracking page. And then once on your tracking page, scroll down and click on the tracking ID box. Enter in your tracking ID, move to the right side and click on track. And so once you've clicked on track, you'll be taken to the page where you would see your package, the details about the package, the location of the package, and all of that. And then once you can see that, you'll see options like manage delivery. Ensure you click on that. For example, by the time you click on, you go to the top part of the screen on this same page, I click on tracking. You can see the options here: tracking ID, track, advanced shipping, track shipment tracking, and then you can see manage your delivery, right? So just click on it. So that clicking on manage delivery, you'll be taken to another page where you see delivery address and all of that. Click on edit delivery address and acknowledge that that editing your delivery address may change your delivery date. All right, this is because distance affects how fast you get your product. So make necessary edits to your delivery address, provide your contact information, click submit to complete the request, and you will receive a case number assigned to your request. So that is it. All right, this is basically how to go about it. So thanks for watching and have a good day.